Welcome. In front of me I have Smart TV Samsung TU 8000 82 inches, and I'm going to show you how you can connect smartphone to this Smart TV. So at the first you have to grab your remote control, tap the home button, and then move right here for the settings. Next, let's scroll for the general, and then we have to go for this external device manager, and then let's go for the input device manager. Right now tap on the Bluetooth device list, and right now we have to grab our smartphone and turn on the Bluetooth, then click and hold this icon to enter the Bluetooth settings, and in the available devices we have to find our TV, and here's mine, so simply tap on it. So tap once, and as you can see here, we get a notification that we can pair our smartphone with the TV. So click to pair right here. And as you can see, after a few moments, we'll get this connection. And as you can see right now, we are connected to the Huawei P30 Pro, as you can see in the left corner, and we can easily play the music. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.